What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is December and it's 63 degrees. So you gotta take time to enjoy these days, that's for sure. I think next week it's going to be high in the 30s. So that means low in the 20s, maybe even lower. Maybe it hit the teens. Hope some people are getting out there and riding. Woo, it's windy. So today I was going to talk about retirement. I am not retired yet. I got a long way to go. I know there's a lot of motovloggers out there that are retired and get to enjoy riding all the time, or at least when there's good weather. And just want to talk a little bit about my retirement plans, and you know, if you have retirement plans, you know, what are they? And or at least, you know, obviously I don't expect everybody to know exactly what they want to do, and my plans might change. You know, you just never know. But right now my plans is to move farther south. I'm in Kentucky right now, and I don't mean like, you know, maybe Florida or Texas or something like that. I really enjoy the seasons. I know if I was in those places I would get to ride all the time, and that'd be great, but at some point I'm going to end up riding somewhere that it may be a little bit colder there. Chances are it probably will be. So I like the fall weather, and so if I go to, there's really no fall in Florida or Texas, so I was thinking about moving maybe to the Carolinas, maybe North Carolina or Tennessee. Tennessee's kind of always been my home away from home, because I grew up in the southeastern part of Kentucky, and I've always wanted to move to Tennessee. There's just something about it, something about those Smoky Mountains. If you live there or you've been there, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Just a beautiful place to be. Just, you know, great people. And like I said, I grew up close to there, so I mean, I spent a lot of time in Knoxville and around Norris Lake, that area, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Sevierville. And my plans were to, or still are, to buy some land, hopefully at least 5 acres, maybe more, and build a house. And I was thinking of building a pole barn, something small, 3 bedrooms, couple full baths, something like that, and then have a detached large garage. I was thinking something like along the lines of about a 40 by 40, because I want to buy a toy hauler. That's the other thing, a part of my retirement. Well, this road is bumpy. I haven't been out on this road in a while. So that's the 2 biggest things for me as far as retirement, is moving, building a house, garage. The other thing was the toy hauler, so I can travel across multiple places and then just stay there. It's kind of like you're taking your hotel with you. Well, that's a neat little house. I forgot how curvy this is. Which way? I think I'm still going this way. Yep. Sorry, squirrel. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to one day buy a toy hauler, and I watch a lot of channels on YouTube where, you know, folks do that. They have a toy hauler, and they ride their bikes wherever. They'll move after 2 weeks of being somewhere, or maybe they'll stay longer. A couple channels I want to mention is Changing Lanes, and that is Chad and Tara. And I believe Chad works in IT, so I'm an IT guy, and I actually get to work from home, so I could literally move anywhere I want to and still work. So I do have that option that he has to be able to. They actually sold their home in this. They do RVing full time. And the other channel is the Tolleson Life. I've learned a lot from watching both of those channels. The Tollesons are from Georgia, but I don't think it's a full-time. They're not full-time RVers. They RV when they can, but I do believe they are retired. So I watch those channels just to kind of give me an idea of like what's it like to RV, and what are some stuff to look out for, possible mistakes, things to keep up on with your RV. And the more I watch those channels, the more I'm like, man, I need to retire today. But that's a little bit about like what my retirement plans are, and as you know, things can always change, but that's still my goal. I'm hoping in the next couple years that I can actually go look for land, but obviously I really need to decide if Tennessee is my final destination, or maybe the Carolinas. Another part of where you want to move, obviously, is you need to think about taxes. Obviously Florida has tax advantages. You don't get state taxes. You don't do neither in Tennessee as well, but do they tax their retirement? And I think there's only 7 states in the United States where they don't tax your retirement, and Florida is one of them. I know South Dakota is one of them. I would love to live in South Dakota, but all that snow, it's 200 plus days of winter, and I don't know about all that. That kind of freaks me out. I don't know if I want to deal with that. I know there's some motor vloggers out there, and they talk about it, and I'm not sure if that's something I want to deal with. I would love to live out there. Every time I go out there, I don't want to leave. But of course, it's like probably June, July, August time frame. But hell, it could snow then. But like I said, for now, Tennessee's the destination, I think. Hopefully have house built, toy hauler, and definitely can always be a destination for my fellow motor vlog community, because I'll be around some great riding. The Tail of the Dragon, Cherahalla Skyway. I know I'll be near the Blue Ridge Parkway because I plan on being near North Carolina border. So yeah, anyway, that's kind of the summary of my retirement plans. Let me know in the comments if you have any retirement plans, or maybe if you're already retired, did you plan out a retirement, and is it what you expected it to be? Or maybe give me some tips on, you know, if you're getting ready to retire, here's some things to think about. But until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and always rip the ride.